Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku Charts.com daily analysis for light sweet crude oil for Thursday, October 25, 2012. Well, no change of trend today. The downtrend remains in place. We have a candle that's made a lower high but a higher low, so in bar chart terms an inside day, a day of indecision, and that's basically because the buyers weren't strong enough to take out the previous high, but the sellers weren't strong enough to take out the previous low, so suggesting indecision as well. And a very small body candle. Now we do have, however, a white body candle, and that's in stark contrast to the previous 4 trading days, and that does suggest that there is potential for a change of trend, where there has been a slight shift in momentum from the sellers to the buyers in net terms throughout the trading day. So let's watch for a potential higher high and higher low. The indecisiveness of this spinning top type candle down at the bottom of this very strong first time frame uptrend also suggests that there is potential for a change of trend. But we also have a candlestick, Japanese candlestick, bullish harami pattern. That's where we have a largish black body in a downtrend, followed by a smallish white body that's within the body of the previous candle's body, and does set the market up for a change of trend, and quite a strong potential for that change of trend. But having said that, we do have potentially strong resistance at around the 87 level, and here we can see it was previously support. Just above there was previously resistance, so the market will need to find some solid upside momentum to trade through that level, but there is very good potential for that. If the market does continue trending down, and we still are in a first time frame downtrend, we have solid support down through to the 83-85 area, and support and resistance anywhere within this highlighted yellow zone. So that's quite solid support and resistance close by for this market. In terms of the Fibonacci extension, we're examining the current first time frame downtrend and its relationship to the previous first time frame downtrend, and not a lot doing here. We do have a potential target down around the 261.8% level at 83.36. With the Fibonacci retracement, we're in an expansive mode of that. We've traded through the 100% level, through the 161.8%, and now potential to test down to the 261.8% level, which is at 83.80, coincide roughly with the swing lows here and the bottom of that highlighted yellow area of strong support. So that is a target that the market could technically reach if we don't see that change of trend, and we should see some very solid support coming in down around that area. In terms of Ichimoku, we have a bearish market in all 3 time frames. Bearish in the long-term time frame by trading below the cloud, bearish in the medium-term time frame by trading below the Kijun-sen, the pink line, and also bearish in the short-term time frame by trading below the Tenkan-sen. The Chiká span here, the orange line, is below the corresponding price action, so it's confirming this bearishness that we're seeing in the market. So potentially a scenario that we could see here is now that the sellers are no longer supporting these higher time frame trends to the downside, we have a lot of indecisiveness. There is good potential for a change of trend to the upside if the market can breach this level around the 87 area. We could see the market test up to around the 89 level. Very strong potential resistance up around there. Some resistance offered around the 87-71 level here, but a confluence of the Ichimoku indicators just above this 89 level makes that very strong resistance, and then there is potential for the market to sell off again if we do see the market capitulate around that area. Another scenario would be the trend continuing to the downside. We don't always see changes of trend when we see indecisiveness in the market. The sellers may come back into this market, and there is potential for the market to trade down to the 83-85 level, which is a very strong area of potential support for this market.